Moving on, it could now be Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee versus ex-aide Suvendu Adhikari from the prestigious Nandigram seat. Mamata has given an open dare to the BJP and her ex-aide ahead of the Bengal polls. She said that she will be contesting from Nandigram seat in the upcoming assembly polls. Interestingly, that's the same constituency from where former state cabinet minister and current BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari won during the 2016 assembly polls when he contested on a TMC ticket. Not only Nandigram seat, India Today has now learned that Mamata Banerjee may also fight from Bhawanipur seat. Mamata's campaign for farmers' land in Nandigram and Singur propelled her to power in 2012 assembly elections, in which she won by a landslide. BJP's Amit Malviya slammed Mamata Banerjee, saying that her decision to shift seat from Bhawanipur to Nandigram for the first time in 10 years indicates her political nervousness. He also asked TMC to explain the induction of a cop charge sheeted in 2007, Nandigram killings, to the party.
নন্দীগ্রাম সিট এমনিতে এটা জেনারেল সিট, কাজেই কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। এমনকি আমি যদি নন্দীগ্রামে দাঁড়াই কেমন হয়, এটা আমার ইচ্ছা হয়েছে, আমার মনোবাসনা। ভবানীপুরকেও আমি নেগলেক্ট করছি না, ভবানীপুরেও আমি ভালো প্রার্থী দেবো, ওটাও আমার ভালোবাসার জায়গা। বক্সিকে বলবো নন্দীগ্রামেও আমার নামটা যেন থাকে।
Across to Indrajit Kundu joining us from Kolkata to give us a perspective on that. Indrajit, for the first time in 10 years, like the BJP says, Mamata Banerjee is now shifting her seat. She's going to probably contest in 2 seats, and this shows her political nervousness, claims the opposition in West Bengal. Take us through what Mamata's plans are.
Well, Nabila, you know, this has come as a big surprise. It's a tactical move by Mamata Banerjee, claiming today at her show of strength in Nandigram that she wants to fight from Nandigram and take the fight head-on to the BJP. And she was on Shubhendu Adhikari's turf today. Remember, at this point in time, Shubhendu Adhikari is now holding a road show in Calcutta, and this is his first road show in Kolkata, mind you, and he is traveling in South Kolkata. This is, of course, considered to be Mamata Banerjee's turf, you know, in South Kolkata. At the same time, he will be moving very close to Mamata Banerjee's official residence in Kalighat. So this rally that has just begun, this road show by Shubhendu Adhikari, the first of such road show in Calcutta by Shubhendu Adhikari, has started from Toliganj. It will go to Rashbihari, not very far away from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's residence, on a day when Mamata Banerjee herself decided at Shubhendu Adhikari's turf in Nandigram that she wants to contest the election from Nandigram. Many would say this is a tactical move, and Mamata wants to show that she is taking the fight head-on to the BJP and challenge Shubhendu Adhikari at a time when the BJP is really relying heavily on Shubhendu Adhikari's organizational skills, in a sense, to bag a few seats from districts like East Midnapur, areas where the BJP did not really have much of an organization, but because of Shubhendu Adhikari's entry, by default, the BJP will now have an organization there. So it's a challenge for the Trinamool Congress, and the Trinamool Supremo seem to have accepted the challenge and taken it directly to the BJP. Back to you.
Sure enough, Indrajit. Thank you very much. It seems like a challenge there. But Indrajit, we are looking at Suvendu Adhikari clearly having that kind of clout. Do you really believe that Mamata Banerjee, for that matter, will be able to snatch that away from him?
Well, you know, Shubhendu Adhikari was Mamata Banerjee's lieutenant, and Mamata Banerjee reminded that again and again, even though she should not take Shubhendu Adhikari's name, she had made it very clear that as far as the Nandigram movement is concerned, it was her leadership that gave that entire movement a different direction when that Nandigram land acquisition agitation was taking place. And therefore, you know, Nabila, Mamata Banerjee clearly is the biggest political personality as far as West Bengal is concerned. Shubhendu Adhikari, of course, is much junior, and at the same time used to consider Mamata Banerjee as his leader, as his guru. Therefore, it's going to be quite a challenge. We are not even sure now whether Shubhendu Adhikari will be fielded by the BJP in this contest, whether or not Shubhendu Adhikari will contest this year's elections, and if at all, whether or not Shubhendu Adhikari will fight from Nandigram itself. But the challenge is cut out for Shubhendu Adhikari. It is to deliver maximum number of seats for the BJP in West Bengal. Remember, Shubhendu Adhikari is the most high-profile leader that the BJP has inducted in recent years. And that is evident from the fact that while leaders like Mukul Roy and Shobhan Chatterjee joined the BJP, they went to Delhi headquarters and joined the BJP. It was Amit Shah who came to West Bengal, went to Midnapur and handed over the BJP saffron flag to Shubhendu Adhikari. That shows the kind of importance that the BJP is giving to Shubhendu Adhikari at this point in time, because they really feel that Shubhendu Adhikari is an organization man, somebody who can help restructure the party's organization, because BJP is on a growth phase. In several areas, the BJP does not have an organization. They're really relying heavily on Shubhendu Adhikari's own organization, which has broken away from the Trinamool Congress to help the BJP. And in that sense, the challenge is bigger for Shubhendu Adhikari to deliver on the promise on which he has been inducted in the BJP. And of course, Mamta Banerjee, being the tallest political leader as far as West Bengal is concerned, she is trying to, in a sense, spoil that entire strategy of the BJP by fielding herself right in front of Shubhendu Adhikari at Nandigram. Back to you.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Indrajit, for joining us with those details. Political stage in West Bengal there heating up ahead of assembly polls in West Bengal.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.